In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the world of futures trading on Plus 500. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding the precise steps can make your trading experience smoother and more profitable. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to app.plus500.com. Once there, log into your account and you'll be greeted by the Plus 500 trading interface. This robust platform offers a wealth of trading instruments, and today we're focusing on futures markets. To begin, you'll locate futures markets on the left panel under Commodities or Indices. This section is home to various common futures markets, such as oil futures, which include crude oil and Brent oil. You might also explore gold futures or consider indices like the US Tech 100, which tracks the NASDAQ. Once you've decided which instrument you wish to trade, simply click on it to select. Now that you've chosen your instrument, it's time to open the trade window. Here, you have two choices. If you anticipate that the price of your selected futures will rise, click Buy. Conversely, if you predict a price drop, click Sell. This decision is crucial as it sets the direction of your trade. With your trade direction in mind, the next step involves entering the specific details of your trade. You'll need to determine the size of your position, which is represented by the amount. It's a measure of how much exposure you want in the market. Next, consider setting a stop loss. This tool helps limit your potential losses if the market moves against your position. On the flip side, there's the take profit option, allowing you to lock in gains when the market meets your target price. Additionally, you have the option to adjust leverage, which increases your exposure to the market. However, proceed with caution, as leverage can also amplify your losses. After carefully setting all your trade parameters, you're ready to place the trade. By clicking Open Position, or the Buy/Sell button depending on your earlier choice, you confirm and execute your trade. Once your trade is active, monitoring it becomes crucial. Head over to the bottom panel and find Open Positions. This section provides a live view of your trade's performance, including current price, profit or loss, margin requirements, and allows you to set alerts for significant market movements. Finally, the time will come when you need to close your position. To do this, find the futures contract you have in Open Positions. Simply choose Close Position to exit the trade. Your resulting profit or loss will be automatically reflected in your account balance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to trading futures on Plus 500. Remember, practice and diligence are key in trading. Always stay informed and trade wisely. Happy trading!